Hello there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Glad you're here. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics to talk about, and that is merch. Merch is a really fun topic to talk about because not only is it a great way to make a couple bucks on the side, but also to spread brand awareness and, share your stream or your YouTube channel with everybody in the form of a t-shirt or a hoodie, merch. It's a good way to do it. And today I'm going to share with you how to set up your very own merch store for free using StreamElements. So, with that, let's jump into it. And real quick before we get started, if you guys are interested in videos like this, talking about streaming, talking about tech, merch, please do hit that subscribe button. We do post a video every week, and we talk about this stuff all the time. It's a good time. And if you want to ask me any questions live, I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Would love to see you in stream. Link to that in the description down below. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into StreamElements. So you're going to log in using your Twitch, your YouTube, or your Facebook account. RIP Mixer. That used to be an option. Too soon? Maybe. Now, when you log in, it's going to show you your dashboard, so all your statistics of your stream, your followers, your subscribers, all that good stuff. You want to go over to the sidebar and scroll down until you find SE Merch. And go ahead and click on it. And essentially from there, StreamElements is going to ask you for your logo or your design. Now, when you do give your logo to StreamElements, you want to make sure your logo is exported in a 2000 by 2000 resolution size, because that way it's going to be able to be stretched or shrunk as much as it needs to be, and you're not going to lose any resolution. So just a tip before you upload your logo. Okay, so now once you've uploaded your logo, StreamElements has essentially started your store for you. Basically, StreamElements just took the logo you gave them and slapped it on all the products, and basically got it all started for you. It's pretty cool. Now, you basically have, I think, like 5 or 6 items that are ready to go off the bat. So you have a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, sticker, all that good stuff. It's all good, ready to go, which is pretty cool. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, what if I have a secondary logo or a second design and I want to make another t-shirt or hoodie or something like that? Well, no problem. Let's create a new t-shirt. You're going to go down, you're going to hit the plus button, and when you hit that plus button, you're going to get a little pop-up. It's going to show you all the items that you can choose to add to your store. Now, for the sake of simplicity, we're just going to choose the t-shirt for now. Now, when you click the t-shirt, it's going to start you off with a blank t-shirt. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the upload logo or upload design button, and you want to find the file of this design that you want to upload. Now, once it's uploaded, it's going to automatically put it in the center of the shirt. That's just kind of what its default position is. Now, with the secondary logo I'm using, I'm actually not a fan of it being in the center, big, and in front. I actually like it to be a little smaller and in the corner. That's just kind of my style, so we're going to shrink it and put it in the corner. Now, it's actually really cool. StreamElements actually tells you the DPI and if it's good or if it's not, so it can tell you if the print is going to look good or not, which is pretty cool. So just make sure when you're sizing up your logo, you want to make sure you have a good DPI. That way, it's not pixelated, it's not a terrible resolution, and that the print actually comes out good when you get the t-shirt. So now that we have the design in place, let's choose some different colors. Now, with StreamElements, they do provide a variety of colors, which is awesome. So you could choose whatever colors fit best for your brand. So I'm going to choose black, gray, and I'm going to go with navy for this one. Now, just a note on the quality of the merch is actually a really high quality cotton blend from Bella Canvas, which is a great t-shirt blend. I own a ton of Bella Canvas shirts. Always very soft, very nice. I am a big fan of them. Now, if you want to see a full review on the merch, I did post a video on the channel, so card, I don't remember what corner it goes in, but yeah, go ahead and check that video out, and you'll see a full review of the merch. So now that we have the logo in the right place, we have the colors we want, now we got to select a price that people are going to pay for the t-shirt. Now, what's great about StreamElements is they actually give you a couple different price points to choose from. Now, $25 is kind of the default price for streamer merch. And if you're selling that shirt at $25 per shirt, you're going to get about $11.50 per shirt. So it's actually a pretty solid way of making some money on the side. Now, for me, in my merch store, I don't really have that big of an audience, so I actually moved it to $15. I'm not really trying to make any money off it. I just want to spread brand awareness and try to get my merch out there and make it as accessible as possible for people. But yeah, that's just kind of my approach to merch. So you could choose $15, $25, or more expensive if you want. Just keep in mind, StreamElements that is with StreamElements taking a cut already, so that profit, it shows you like, hey, you're gonna get $11 profit. That is what you're gonna get per t-shirt StreamElements has already calculated how much that's going to cost in terms of inventory and orders and all that stuff and printing. They already calculated all that out for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. So now that you have your t-shirt on the shop, you can now actually publish your store and go live with your store. Now, once you get your merch store published, it's time to promote it and advertise it. And StreamElements actually offers a couple cool ways of advertising and promoting your store. The first one being a little alert, so that if you are live on stream, somebody buys your t-shirt, there's a little alert that's gonna play, and it's really cool, and then you can thank them in person right there, which is pretty cool. Now, the second way to promote your merch is a little rotator that you can put on your stream as well, that kind of pops up and shows your merch store what's available, and it pops up for a little bit and then it goes away. It's actually really cool. Both of these ways of promoting your stream, both the alert and the rotator, those are browser sources you can just put in OBS, so they're really easy. You don't have to create anything, code anything. Yeah, you just copy the link, put it in a browser source in OBS, and you're good to go. So congratulations, you now have a merch store and you're promoting it on your stream. Merch is just an awesome resource in general, so I encourage you to start your merch store if you haven't already. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm a small creator, I don't really have a big audience, nobody's really gonna buy my merch. And I was in that same boat where I didn't think people were really gonna buy my merch, but as I started to promote it, as I started to talk more about it, people started to buy the t-shirts. I even did a little fun 4th of July exclusive drop earlier this year, and even that sold a fair amount of shirts, and that was a lot of fun, and it was so cool to see the feedback and pictures that people were posting of them in my shirts. I was like, this is so cool, and it was a super rewarding experience. So, moral of the story is you can still sell merch regardless if you're a big creator or a small creator. And I think that's a good note to end on there. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys like this content, be sure to hit that like button. This helps the video kind of grow within the algorithm. And also, if you want to see more stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. And also, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the StreamElements merch store. Do you like it? Do you not? What could StreamElements also add? I want to see hats and beanies. That's what I want to see. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one, everybody.